house today. We're going to do another unboxing with the help of my human, Rory. Say hi, Rory. Hi guys. We're going to be opening some toys here. I know those are the past toys over there. Yeah, these and this. But we're going to open them with one new toy. So over there, Kanao, right? Yes, and we also got some of our dolls here. Oh, you guys may have noticed I have a Lanky box because I am actually a fan. Okay, so the first one we're going to open is this one. Okay, so Kanao, will you do the honors? Sure. It's kind of hard actually. Okay, you just slide it open. This is what's inside. You guys may have already met Sunshine, and Crystal. Okay, we also have this lily box that we're going to unbox with the dollhouse. Oh, I spilled the beans. Okay, so now we are going to unbox this one. You guys already see. This says My Goat Girl and Angel Dust. Okay, so
he said, okay, I called her back and told her that I didn't have the money to take care of it. He said, don't worry about it, Chris. I'll take care of it. That's exactly what he said.
Okay.
So she said she would take care of it.
Look, they have these. Hey, that was my line. Sorry, Kanao, I just... Okay, so we have these dolls. Okay, so this is Belle, and this is Shadow. There's something on the bottom, so we're going to take it off. And you can wear this on your hair. Okay, so now we have the wings. Okay, I'll take them out for you. We have this one.
They wouldn't release the body unless they got paid with a credit card.
And this. Okay, now we're going to move on to the dollhouse.
He said to you, I need to borrow $20. And you said to him, why can't you ask for money else? And he said to you,
look, this is so cool. So let's move everything out of the way so we can get started. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open this lily box. Actually, let's open it at the end. Oh, do you guys see something? Wow, this is actually so cool. So you can open the door and you can shut it, and then see you have a little thing.
So before they released the body, which they had to do within a day, they had a credit card. And it wasn't until after that you started a GoFundMe page.
Okay, we have a bed. We also have another bed for another doll.
Okay, and you received $200 within what period of time? Within probably 3 weeks. How much of that?
Okay, so this is the doll's bed upstairs. Actually, they sleep together in this house. Actually, that one's the other doll sleeps downstairs. We also have some of this food here. We're gonna put it down here. Actually, the kitchen's going to be here. We're gonna have some food storage. Okay, we also have some I spill them. We also have this tray of brownies. I'm going to store it here. Actually, I'm going to put it here. Okay, so this is the house. It's very cute, very kawaii and stuff. Okay, we also have this fruit jelly. Okay, I can't, so there was usually like something where you can remove this, but I don't think I can remove it. Okay, we also have this sugar. Look, we also have this baby. We also have a baby bottle that I think that like the dolls, they could use for their toys over here. I'm gonna show you guys that later. For now, I'm gonna place, oh, there's actually a basket for the baby bottle, but I'm actually just gonna put it like that because I want to use the basket for this, so there's this little tiny dog balloon. I'm going to put it in there. It's like a little toy, and then I can put it over here. Like that. It's so cute. Okay, so now we get to look at some of the toys. Okay, the first toy is this little narwhal. I'm thinking it's like a little squishy. I'm going to store it down up here. Actually, you know what? The downstairs. Okay. Now this dollhouse is very small, so put the narwhal there. We could put this little. Actually, this storage is for like. Okay, these go here like this, and then downstairs we have this little basket, and then we have a little peppermint cat on the floor. Okay, now let's open this Lilybot. Oh, this is Lilybot. She looks so cute. Oh.
July, August, September, October. So you would been training for 4 months.
Looks so cute. She's going to sleep on the top bunk bed. I mean the top of bed.
How did she pay?
I know there could be other dolls in this dollhouse, but I'm just going to keep Lilybot there.
In July, when you started, she gave you how much?
Okay, Lilybot is going to leave with
The month of August.
this doll here.
Is that correct? September.
Oh.
500. October.
Okay guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Hey Rory, you keep doing the outro. I want to do it. Okay, Kanao. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.